Hey guys, it's your girl T and I'm back with another video. I am outside because everyone is asleep, but I came out here to do my intro. I am doing another get ready with me video, but this one is going to be an ASMR. I'm not going to do no talking, like I said, because everyone is asleep. So I wanted to come out here and do this intro. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, and I showered already. I just wanted to put that on there too. So I got my clothes and everything. Let's get started.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let go. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad, you got it bad for me, babe. I don't feel glad that I can have this, babe. Nobody else true, nobody else makes me. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. We're riding around the love, riding around the trip, riding around the dick, riding around the slap me up, babe. I'm throwing a fit, riding around the
Guys, I don't know if I should leave it like this or put it up, but I think I'm gonna leave it. Look at the red. I colored my hair. Okay, I just had to say that. I think I'm gonna leave it like this.
My baby don't mess around because she loves me so, and this I know for sure. But does she really wanna, but can't stand to see me walk out the door? Don't try to fight the feeling, cause the thought alone is killing me right now. Thank God for mom and dad for sticking together, cause we don't know how. Oh, you think you got it, but got it, just don't get it if there's nothing at all. We've been together, oh, we've been together, but separate's always better when there's feelings involved. It's what they say. Then what makes, then what makes, then what makes, then what makes, then what makes love exception? So why, oh, why, oh, why, oh, why, oh, then what makes, then what makes, then what makes love exception? So why, oh, why, oh, why, oh, why, oh,
tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let go. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad, you got it bad for me, babe. I don't feel glad that I can have this, babe. Nobody else you, nobody else makes me. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. Right around the love, right around the trip, right around the dick. Right around the slap me up, babe. I'm throwing a fit. Right around the
I'm sorry about my boyfriend, y'all. He just want to get on my nerves. Want to act crazy. So, I made the bed up. Got ready. I'm not done. I got to find me something to eat. And y'all will see.
tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let go. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad, you got it bad for me, babe. I don't feel glad that I can have this, babe. Nobody else you, nobody else makes me. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. Right around the love, right around the trip, right around the dick. Right around the slap me up, babe. I'm throwing a fit. Right around the world, yeah, you right around, talk to me. Oh, feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body, baby. I want you to know, but never fall out of love with you. I didn't wanna fight, I don't wanna fuss, baby, I'm trusting you. I'm trusting you. Fighting on your body, fighting on your life for you. I'm trusting you, baby. I want you back, I wanna love you so bad. That I really just said I want you. I wanna love you, baby.
baby, don't mess around because she loves me so, and this I know for sure. But does she really wanna, but can't stand to see me walk out the door. Don't try to fight the feeling, cause the thought alone is killing me right now. Thank God for mom and dad for sticking together, cause we don't know how. You think you got it, oh, you think you got it, but got it, just don't get it if there's nothing at all. We've been together, oh, we've been together, but separate's always better when there's feelings involved. It's what they say is nothing is forever. Then what makes, then what makes, then what makes, then what makes, then what makes love exception? So why, oh, why, oh, why, oh, why,
Okay guys, so that's my morning routine. I'm getting ready to eat and then get ready to go. I hope y'all like, comment, and subscribe if y'all stayed to the end of this video, and let me know. It's your girl T. I'm out.